2022 saw a significant development in the artificial intelligence world with the increasing popularity of ChatGPT 3 and Tesla's humanoid robot. Although both inventions had been introduced a couple of years back, they received massive attention in the just-ended year. And while both have their functions, the ChatGPT 3, with its flexibility, scalability, and consistent nature, might become more useful in the future than its competitor. This video details what OpenAI's platform could do to Tesla's robot. Let's get right into it. ChatGPT 3 and Tesla Humanoid Robot. Before we talk about the edge of ChatGPT 3 over the humanoid robot, we should first discuss these AI innovations.
Oh, yes, of course.
So let's start with the ChatGPT 3, the state-of-the-art natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It can handle various language-related tasks, including text generation, question answering, sentiment analysis, and more. ChatGPT 3 uses advanced machine learning algorithms, such as deep learning and transformer models, to analyze and understand natural language text. In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot is a physical robot created by Tesla. It is designed to perform tasks that involve physical movements, such as manual labor or human-like interactions. The robot is equipped with sensors, cameras, and other technology to interact with its environment, including human operators. Now let the comparison begin. Flexibility and ease of use. The first area to look at is flexibility. ChatGPT 3 is highly adaptable and can be used in various applications, including customer service, content generation, sentiment analysis, and more.
Wow.
In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot is designed for specific tasks, such as physical labor or human-like interactions, and may need help to perform other duties as effectively. In relation to this, ChatGPT 3 can be easily integrated into existing systems and accessed through an API, making it simple to use and requiring minimal technical expertise. In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot would require special training and technical expertise to operate and maintain, making it less accessible to the average person. Speaking of the average person, the nature of the humanoid robot might make it expensive and inaccessible to many people, and we will explain that later in the video. Scalability. ChatGPT 3 can be easily scaled to handle increased demand, as it can be accessed through the cloud and used by multiple users simultaneously. In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot is a physical device with limited capacity and may only be able to handle increased demand with the need for additional robots. Relatedly, ChatGPT 3 can provide consistent and accurate results, as it is based on advanced machine learning algorithms and can be fine-tuned to meet specific requirements. In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot may be prone to physical limitations, such as wear and tear, which could affect its performance over time. Before we move on, we invite you to join the future of technology today by subscribing to our YouTube channel. By doing so, you will have exclusive access to more insightful tech and futuristic content. Cost effectiveness. Regarding cost, ChatGPT 3 can be accessed through an API and used by many people simultaneously, making it a more cost-effective solution for natural language processing needs.
I like the sound of that.
In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot would require a significant investment, not just for the initial purchase, but also for maintenance, repair, and upgrading as technology advances. During the 2022 Tesla AI Day, Elon Musk revealed that the humanoid robot would sell for around $20,000 each, which is way more expensive than the rumored premium version of the ChatGPT 3 at $42 per month. Continuous improvement. ChatGPT 3 is a machine learning model that can continuously improve and evolve as it is fed more data and exposed to new situations. In contrast, a Tesla humanoid robot would need to be physically modified or upgraded to add new capabilities, which can be a time-consuming and costly process. The core issue in this sense is primarily due to the speed at which some improvements can be made. Since its release, we've already seen several updates and versions of the ChatGPT 3. However, it has taken Tesla several years to develop the humanoid robot, and it is still not very close to delivering the final product.
They must be very difficult.
A robotics professor at Arizona State University, Henry Ben-Amor, rightly points out in an interview with Reuters, there's some discrepancy between sort of the ambition and what they have presented. When it comes to dexterity, speed, the ability to walk in a stable fashion, and so on, there's still a lot of work to be done. Can be used to build another robot. Now, this might sound like a long shot, but it is not out of the realm of possibility for engineers to use ChatGPT 3 to build a similar model of the humanoid robot or an even better one. While the platform cannot directly produce the robot for you, It can provide enormous data on how to go about it, and this can shorten the amount of time needed to create a robot. So the question is, if the ChatGPT 3 can help make mini robots that can carry out simple tasks, such as the Optimus, then why spend about $20,000 to get one from Tesla?
Why should I?
Well, why should I?
As much as the humanoid robot from Tesla will be helpful to several people who can access it, ChatGPT 3 with a far less expensive price and a variety of features will be invaluable to have always. And it is interesting to know that you can even become a millionaire through ChatGPT 3. In our next video, we will provide insight onto how you can become a millionaire with ChatGPT 3, so make sure you get that as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.